Hello, my name is Gary, and I was raised in the Western United States, so I'm a native English speaker. I hope that you will enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us.
IELTS writing samples. The plans below show the site of an airport now and how it will look after the redevelopment next year. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. The provided plans illustrate the current layout of Southwest Airport and outline the anticipated changes after the upcoming renovations. In essence, the airport is set to undergo development, expansion, and enhancement with a focus on increasing entry and departure terminals as well as the number of gates. This comprehensive transformation includes the introduction of new amenities for both departing and arriving passengers. According to the depicted maps, the current airport layout includes 8 gates and 2 entry and departure points. Passengers use a moving walkway to reach their respective boarding gate areas. Post-renovation, the airport is slated to boast a larger concourse area, accommodating 18 gates to efficiently serve a higher volume of passengers. Notably, the conventional walkway will be replaced by a state-of-the-art SkyTrain to facilitate quicker movements for passengers. The departure area is situated on the left, while the arrival area is on the right. In the departure zone, passport control and security checkpoints are directly ahead. As part of the renovation plans, shops will be strategically positioned for access before reaching passport control and security. Additionally, enhancements to the departure hall include the incorporation of a bag drop facility, with the check-in counters being relocated to expand the new bag drop area. The existing arrival hall, which currently lacks sufficient amenities, is slated for a transformation through renovations. The goal is to incorporate added convenience for arriving passengers by introducing new features such as a cafe, ATMs, and car hire facilities.
The provided plans depict the current arrangement of Southwest Airport and delineate the expected changes following the upcoming renovations. In summary, the airport is scheduled for development, expansion and improvement, with a specific focus on enhancing entry and departure terminals, as well as increasing the number of gates. This extensive transformation encompasses the introduction of new amenities for both departing and arriving passengers. As shown on the maps, the current airport setup consists of 8 gates and 2 entry and departure points. Passengers travel to their respective boarding gate areas via a moving walkway. Following the renovation, the airport is set to showcase an enhanced concourse area designed to accommodate 18 gates, ensuring efficient service for a larger volume of passengers. Remarkably, the conventional walkway is set to be substituted by a state-of-the-art SkyTrain, enhancing the speed and efficiency of passenger movements. The left side hosts a departure area, while the right side is designated for arrivals. Within the departure zone, passengers will find passport control and security checkpoints directly ahead for efficient processing. As part of the renovation plans, shops will be strategically positioned to offer convenient access before passengers reach passport control and security. Furthermore, improvements to the departure hall encompass the introduction of a bag drop facility, accompanied by the relocation of check-in counters to enlarge the newly designated backdrop area. The current arrival hall, facing a deficiency in amenities, is set for a significant transformation through upcoming renovations. The aim is to enhance convenience for arriving passengers by introducing new features such as a cafe, ATMs and car hire facilities.
The diagram below shows the manufacturing process for making sugar from sugarcane. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. The diagram illustrates the sequential phases involved in the production of sugar from sugarcane plants. Overall, sugar production encompasses 7 key stages, commencing with the cultivation of sugarcane on farms and concluding with the drying and cooling of crystal syrup to yield consumable sugar. As depicted in the process diagram, the initial phase involves harvesting sugarcane plant from the farmland when they reach a maturity approximately 1 to 18 months. Harvesting can be carried out manually or with the assistance of agricultural machinery. Following this, the sugarcane stalks undergo crushing in a grinder, yielding sugarcane juice. Subsequently, the juice undergoes purification through a limestone filter. It is then subjected to heating in an evaporator device, where water vaporization leads to the formation of syrup. This syrup is further processed in a centrifuge machine, separating sugar crystals from the syrup. In the concluding stage, the produced crystals undergo drying and cooling processes, ultimately resulting in the manufacturing of the end product sugar.
Growing, sugarcanes, harvesting, crushing, juice, purifying use, limestone filter, evaporator, juice becomes syrup, heat, centrifuge, separates sugar crystals from syrup, drying and cooling, sugar. The diagram demonstrates the step-by-step stages in the production of sugar from sugarcane plants. In general, the process of sugar production involves 7 main stages, starting with the cultivation of sugarcane on farms and concluding with the drying and cooling of crystal syrup to produce consumable sugar. As shown in the process diagram, the first step involves harvesting sugarcane plants from the farmland when they achieve a maturity of around 1 to 18 months. The harvesting process can be conducted either manually or with the assistance of agricultural machinery. Subsequently, the sugarcane stalks are crushed in a grinder, resulting in the extraction of sugarcane juice. After purification through a limestone filter, the juice is then heated in an evaporator device, causing water vaporization and leading to the formation of syrup. The next step involves further processing the syrup in a centrifuge machinery, effectively separating sugar crystals from the liquid syrup. In the final phase, the generated crystals undergo drying and cooling processes, ultimately leading to the production of the end product, sugar.